Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked. This prevents activation errors. Once done, open Settings and choose Cellular or Mobile Data, then add Cellular Plan. You'll scan the carrier QR code or enter the activation code manually. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection and the battery is above 20% to avoid interruptions. If prompted, name the plan for daily use and set it as primary or secondary, depending on whether you also use a physical SIM. Once the eSIM is installed, you configure how you'll use it daily. You choose a default line for voice and text, then separately select the line for cellular data. This matters for apps and billing. Make sure to toggle data roaming only if you need it, and set data switching to automatic or manual based on your travel frequency. You can label the eSIM for clarity and enable or disable voice features if it's a data-only plan. This prevents accidental charges and keeps traffic on the right plan. You finish by restarting the device to ensure the eSIM registers with the network, then verify signal strength, SMS delivery, and internet access. If something fails, check for carrier settings update or manually inspect APN settings. These often fix data problems. If registration still fails, remove the eSIM profile and re-add it using the original QR or activation code. As a last step, contact the carrier with device IMEI and eSIM details. They can push provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.